RGB Computer RAM delivers faster performance, reliable multitasking, and customizable lighting for stylish, high-performance PC builds. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB computer RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G.SKILL RGB Computer RAM. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB Series DDR4-3632GB memory kit is an excellent upgrade for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking both performance and style. This matched kit includes two 16GB modules, delivering a total of 32GB with speeds up to DDR4-3600 and CL18 timings for smooth multitasking, faster application loading, and responsive gaming. The vibrant RGB lighting adds a premium look to any desktop build and can complement modern RGB setups. It supports Intel XMP profiles for quick and easy performance tuning while also including a JEDEC default profile for standard compatibility. As with all high-performance memory, using the kit as a matched pair is essential to maintain stability and achieve rated speeds. Before installation, checking your motherboard's compatibility through G.SKILL's QVL or RAM configurator is recommended. Overall, this memory kit offers dependable performance, attractive aesthetics, and reliable overclocking support, making it a great choice for high-performance desktop PCs. Now our second product is TeamGroup RGB Computer RAM. The TeamGroup THOR Delta RGB 16GB DDR4-3200 memory kit is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC builders looking to combine solid performance with eye-catching aesthetics. Featuring two 8GB modules, it delivers 16GB of fast DDR4 memory running at 3200 MHz with low CL16 latency, ensuring smooth gaming, responsive multitasking, and reliable everyday performance. Its standout feature is the full-frame 120 degrees ultra-wide RGB lighting, creating vibrant effects that enhance the look of any gaming setup. The aluminum alloy heat spreader not only adds durability but also helps maintain stable temperatures during demanding workloads. Support for XMP 2.0 enables quick one-click overclocking, while compatibility with Asus Aura Sync and THOR Split software makes RGB customization simple. The kit is also QVL tested with major motherboard brands for broad compatibility. Overall, the THOR Delta RGB offers an excellent balance of speed, reliability, cooling, and stunning lighting at a competitive price. Our third product is CORSAIR RGB Computer RAM. The CORSAIR RGB DDR4 memory kit is an excellent option for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who want high performance with impressive lighting effects. Each module features 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs that deliver vibrant, customizable illumination to enhance any gaming setup. Using CORSAIR ICUE software, you can easily synchronize lighting with compatible CORSAIR products such as CPU coolers, keyboards, and fans for a unified RGB experience. Beyond its stylish appearance, the memory is built with a custom performance PCB that improves signal quality for enhanced stability and reliable operation. Carefully screened memory ICs provide excellent overclocking potential, allowing users to push performance further when needed. Optimized for the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 platforms, it delivers high bandwidth, quick response times, and smooth multitasking for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Overall, this CORSAIR RGB memory kit combines dependable speed, stability, and premium aesthetics, making it a great upgrade for modern desktop PCs. Now number 4, Lexar RGB Computer RAM. The Lexar THOR Z Series RGB DDR5 32GB kit is an outstanding memory upgrade for gamers, creators, and power users seeking top-tier performance. With two 16GB modules running at an impressive 6000 MHz and CL38 latency, it delivers fast load times, smooth multitasking, and exceptional responsiveness for demanding applications in modern games. Its premium sandblasted aluminum heatsink provides efficient cooling while adding a sleek, durable look to any PC build. The vibrant customizable RGB lighting enhances system aesthetics and synchronizes beautifully with compatible components for a stunning visual experience. Reliability is another highlight, thanks to on-die ECC for improved data integrity and an onboard PMIC that optimizes power delivery and system stability. Support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo allows easy one-click overclocking, making it simple to achieve maximum performance. Overall, the Lexar THOR Z Series RGB DDR5 combines speed, stability, cooling, and eye-catching design, making it an excellent choice for next-generation desktop PCs. And our last choice is KLEVV RGB Computer RAM. The URBANE RGB DDR5 memory is a premium choice for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals who demand exceptional speed and reliability. With blazing fast performance of up to 8,400 metric tons per second and ultra-low latency, it delivers lightning-quick responsiveness for gaming, video editing, and intensive multitasking. Its stylish aluminum heatsink with rounded edges and precision grooves provides excellent heat dissipation, while the built-in thermal sensor monitors temperatures in real time to maintain stable operation during heavy workloads. The striking double-beam RGB lighting adds a bold visual touch and supports compatible RGB control software for seamless customization. Despite its powerful design, the low-profile 42.5mm height ensures broad compatibility with compact cases and large CPU coolers. Built on a durable 10-layer PCB, it offers superior signal integrity and long-term stability. Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo support enable effortless one-click overclocking, while QVL testing ensures reliable compatibility, making the URBANE RGB an outstanding upgrade for modern DDR5 systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.